What's up, everybody? It's Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey, and I am back here at Federal Heights at Full Send FPV, my sponsor. And today we're doing some tiny whoop racing, and I brought the BetaFPV, the Silverware Brushless board with me, build. So we're going to go ahead and race it today for the first time to see how it does. So hopefully it'll hold up. We'll see. So I hope you guys enjoy the footage. Alright guys, so here we are at Full Send FPV, and I've gotten the brushless. This is the Betaflight. This is the Silverware, or sorry, the BetaFPV Silverware board, and so it ran pretty good on the first couple practice races. I am going to switch over to some Gem Fan 4 blades, and I want to see how those run compared to the 3 blades. So hope you enjoy. Alright, so we're through the first 3 rounds of qualifying. I think we're going to do 2 more rounds of qualifying, and then we're going to go into the mains. So far, what I've done was I ended up switching from the tri-blades over to the 4-bladed Gem Fans, and that seems to help with the stability. Also, for racing, I added a little bit of throttle expo on my radio, so I bumped it up to 40 on the expo, and I started off with 30 and it wasn't enough. I tried 35, not enough. 40 seems to be pretty good right now. So, and there's Mr. Dave. So that seems to be doing pretty good, not too bad considering I'm flying this brushless, racing it for the first time. I'm doing pretty good, so I'm gonna do some more practicing. All right, guys, so that is it for the night. So I ended up getting into the D mains, which is pretty good, considering that's the first time I have raced that board. It's a decent board. I like it. It's nice. It's not perfect. It definitely could use some changes. So I'm looking forward to when the Alien Whoop board finally comes out to test that one as well. But in the meantime, I will still keep using this one, and I will still keep racing it. So thanks for watching, guys. Thank you for hanging out. And as always, let's keep those drones up in the air, flying high. I'll talk to you later.